Ever spent half your day and a whole box of ammo just trying to zero your rifle? What if I told you there's a way to get laser-accurate alignment before you even fire a single shot? That's where laser bore sighters come in, the secret weapon every shooter should have in their range bag. Whether you're mounting a new scope, dialing in your red dot, or switching calibers, these tools make sighting in faster, easier, and a lot more precise. Today, we're breaking down the 4 best laser bore sighters to see which one truly hits the bullseye. All the links are in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Number 4. Wheeler Professional Laser Bore Sighter. If you love convenience, the Wheeler Professional Laser Bore Sighter is a game changer. Its magnetic connection means no fiddling with adapters. Just snap it onto the muzzle and you're ready to align your optics. The bright green laser and rugged aluminum build make it feel premium, while the rubber over mold gives extra grip and protection. It's fast, simple, and universal across calibers, saving you a ton of setup time. However, because it attaches magnetically to the muzzle face, accuracy can vary slightly depending on how true your barrel's crown is. Compared to adapter-style sighters, it trades a bit of pinpoint precision for unmatched ease of use. If you mount optics frequently and value speed and simplicity, the Wheeler is a solid, professional-grade choice. Number 3. SiteLite Ultra Mag Green Laser SL500. The SiteLite Ultra Mag SL500 steps things up with its ultra-bright green laser, up to 100 times brighter than standard red lasers, perfect for daylight zeroing. It's built tough with aluminium housing, runs for around 10 hours, and comes with handy extras like a reticle leveler and laser target grid. The magnetic centering system works across calibers from .22 to .50 and even 12-gauge shotguns in the field. It delivers rock-solid performance and visibility up to 100 yards in full sun. While it's pricier than most, you're paying for superior brightness and precision. Compared to the Wheeler, it offers better visibility and multi-caliber adaptability, though it's slightly more complex to set up. If you're a serious shooter who demands pro-level accuracy and durability, the SiteLite Ultra Mag is one of the most refined options out there. Number 2. CVLIFE Professional Laser Bore Sight Kit. Now here's the budget hero, the CVLIFE Professional Laser Bore Sight Kit. With 32 adapters fitting calibers from .17 up to 12 gauge, this kit is built for versatility. The laser, available in red or green, gives you solid performance for the price, and the brass housing adds some nice durability. It's straightforward. Pick the right adapter, insert it into the bore, and adjust your scope until your reticle matches the laser dot. Most users report being on paper within a few shots, which saves time and ammo. It's not as bright as premium models like the SiteLite, especially in daylight, but for its cost, it's a fantastic all-rounder. The CVLIFE kit is perfect for hobbyists or hunters who own multiple firearms and want dependable accuracy without spending big. Number 1. VisioFire Tool-Free Laser Bore Sight Kit. Topping our list is the VisioFire Tool-Free Laser Bore Sight Kit, and for good reason. This one's all about versatility and ease. No tools required to switch between its massive set of 64 adapters, covering calibers from 1217 to 12 gauge. It uses a powerful 520M green laser that's visible up to 400 yards with rechargeable batteries that can last an incredible 72 hours. Setup is quick. Choose your adapter, pop it in and align. Users love the clarity of the beam and how simple it is to swap adapters without hunting for tools. Like others, it depends on your bore's alignment for perfect accuracy, but the sheer usability, brightness and value make it a standout. If you want a universal, long-lasting and easy-to-use kit that gets you zeroed fast, VisioFire is tough to beat. Comparison and Wheeler. So how do they stack up? The Wheeler wins on convenience and ruggedness. SiteLite shines brightest for pro-level precision. CVLIFE takes the value crown for affordability, and VisioFire delivers the best mix of everything. Massive caliber compatibility, tool-free design, bright green laser, and outstanding battery life. After comparing all 4, our winner is the VisioFire Tool-Free Laser Bore Sight Kit. It offers the best overall balance of features, ease of use, and performance for the money.